Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to turn this nail into these nails. In this model, we will do manicure after sculpting and strengthening the free edge. Notice that we clean the nail plate with pad and cleanser. Then we use acid-free or non-acid primer and use it in the area that you see in the video. Next step, we use clear rubber base. We apply a thin layer of rubber base and cure this layer in LED or lamp for 60 seconds. Next step, we want to sculpting with acryl gel. It's a type of hard gel. We use clear acryl gel. We use a wood pusher and we put a proper amount of acryl gel on the free edge to the half of the nail plate. We shape the acryl gel and cover all of the nail plate in the area that you see in the video. You can use a gel brush instead of wood pusher to shape the hard gel on the nail plate. Again, we cure this step in lamp for 60 seconds. Then we should use a bead to make the surface of the nail a little smooth and a little better than what is now. You know what I mean. Okay, we use hand file to shape the nail. We want a square form. We filing the side walls and free edge. We should be very gentle to don't harm the side walls, and we should be careful that not over filing. As I said in the first of the video, we do combination manicure after sculpting the free edge. We use flame bead to clean under the cuticle pocket and we trim the cuticle. Then we clean the nail again. For the last step, we use rubber base again. In the first layer, we use a thin layer of rubber. But for final strengthening, we use a little thicker layer of rubber base. As usual, we cure this layer in the lamp. For design, we use of disco gel polish and cure it in the lamp. And finally, we use a super top shine to have a wonderful result. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel and watch other tutorial video and like this video.